So, I don't know whether you can hear, but I'm just outside Odesa. We've just been looking at a rugby camp in the New Valley village. And you might be able to hear the air raid siren. So the children have all gone down into the shelter already. The siren is to do with Russian jets flying nearby rather than threats of missiles. But apart from the siren, this was an hour ago quite a busy and bustling little town, and now it's quiet, with only the sound of the air raid siren breaking that silence.